welcome to another episode. It's so good to see you guys again. I get to cook 329 recipes from my dad's old cookbook, and today, yes, we are making chicken soup. Yes, yummy chicken soup. Let me tell you something. This chicken soup have a bit of bacon. It's optional anyway. If you have it, you can add it. This chicken soup has chicken inside. Yummy chicken. Now you can use any chicken that you like to use, but I personally use the chicken from ShopRite. There's this particular chicken that they sell. It is spicy. It has a lot of pepper. I am obsessed with that chicken. Now, if you can get your hands on that chicken, perfect. If you don't, you can use like normal chicken. It goes fine with it. It is amazing. I can't wait to try this recipe, yo. Like, the things inside this chicken soup is making my head go king. I can't wait to try it. So join me as we make chicken soup. While you follow me to go and make this recipe, please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the subscribe button. We are trying to get to 1,000 subscribers very soon. We are almost there, and we can only do it with the help of you guys. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And yes, let's go and make a delicious chicken soup. So we are using bacon. Bacon is optional. You can add it if you want. It's just for it to add more flavor to it. So you can use it if you like. A sachet of tin tomatoes. So we are going to be using stock to boil the chicken. So we are going to be using stock to boil the chicken. If you don't have stock around, you can use just 1 liter of water or 1 liter of stock. So tomatoes has been blended. 3 medium-sized tomatoes. Then onion, chopped onion. You need about 1 large onion chopped. Star of the show is your chicken. Now this chicken has already been seasoned with pepper and salt. If you have plain chicken, it's fine. It has a lot of pepper, so basically we might not be needing to add pepper into this recipe. It's just basically chicken that has I am obsessed with this chicken. It's loaded with spice, like a lot of pepper. And the interesting thing about this recipe is that you are not using any form of oil in making this bacon to start this recipe. We just want to release the oil from the bacon and flavor in the bacon basically. So we just want the pot to get hot, then we will start cooking. So these are bits of bacon. It's not like the strip that we know. You can get this also in ShopRite. So it's called bacon bits. So yeah, if we notice, it's already releasing its own oil into the pan. That's the beauty of bacon. So this is perfect, because we're still going to add it to the soup. So this is basically perfect. You notice it has released its own oil. Like a lot of it has released its own oil. So we're just going to take it all off. Time to add our chicken to it. So we just want to brown it a bit. It says nothing about browning it. going to be adding our stock to this so we can broil the chicken. Chunks of bacon, so we want it to boil and release its flavor in it. So we are just going to add this. We are just going to mix it all up and let everything. I recommend if you can get stock to boil the chicken, it's going to be fantastic. And this chicken, if you can get it from ShopRite, is divine. I kid you not, but it's very spicy. So it's time to add the tomatoes, the onion, and the tinned tomatoes to this. So remember, there is no oil. If we notice, you can see a bit of oil coming out from the chicken. So at the end of the day, we actually don't need any oil. So I'm just going to add our onion to this. Stir it in. Add our tinned tomato paste to this. Oh, that's quite a lot. So now it's time to add tomato. So we are going to cover this up and let everything boil, marry each other, and release all their delicious flavors together. So our chicken soup is ready and it's time for us to try it. We are going to be using toasted French bread to try it, to soak up all that flavor. So for a soup that doesn't have Maggi or seasoning cube, amazing, guys. Like, you can taste all the flavor, the chicken, the bacon. Wow, it is really right. So it's really nice, guys. You guys need to try this recipe. Wow, it is amazing. So I would like you to try this recipe. Let me know what you think about it. This soup right here is really flavorful. I'm going to maybe keep some portion to eat with my rice later on this afternoon. And thank you so much guys for joining me in making this amazing chicken soup. Bye bye.